Bluetooth is a radio wave technology that is mainly designed to enable wireless communications over short distances.
Bluetooth can connect to many devices such as computers, printers, tablets, speakers, and iPhones. The main Bluetooth device can connect up to 8 devices at one time.
As we know, Bluetooth transmits information through radio waves.
Frequency is the number of complete cycles or vibrations per unit of time.
Frequency of the wave is important when it comes to how a Bluetooth device can function.
Bluetooth, like all radio waves, run on the industrial, scientific, medical band. Bluetooth runs between the frequencies of 2,402 MHz and 2,483.5 MHz. There are 79 channels between these frequencies and 1 MHz bandwidth per channel.
How Bluetooth works on those frequencies is through the use of frequency hopping technology. The transmitter hops from one frequency to another randomly with very short transmission bursts. By frequency hopping, Bluetooth minimizes eavesdropping and interference on the radio waves. Another part of Bluetooth is it only works within a certain distance from the master device. That range is usually 10 to 30 meters before you disconnect from that device.
Some drawbacks of Bluetooth devices include a higher power consumption on the device because of the constant transmission of data. They are much more vulnerable to hacking and also very prone to viruses.
To calculate the components of a radio wave involved in Bluetooth connection, you can use the formula velocity equals frequency times wavelength. Velocity is the speed and direction of the wave, frequency is the cycles per time, and the wavelength is the distance from crest to crest of the wave.
Another equation you can use involving Bluetooth devices is the formula velocity equals distance over time. This can be used when considering the range of the Bluetooth device. Here's an example using the second formula. How much time does a person have before they will lose signal with their Bluetooth device if the device has a range of 10 meters and the person is walking away at 3 meters per second?
The first thing you're going to do is write out your given, what you find, your equation you're using, and how to solve it. For given, delta x is equal to 10 meters, and you're also given that velocity is equal to 3 meters per second. You find t, time, in seconds. The equation you use is velocity equals delta x over time, delta x equals distance, and you can translate this into time equals delta x over velocity. To solve, you plug in what your givens are. Time is equal to 10 meters over 3 meters per second, and using sig figs, you can find that the answer is 3.3 seconds, which means that the person has 3.3 seconds before being out of range with the Bluetooth device.
Oh. Berkely! We got disconnected. Okay, Berkely, Bridget and I will just stay here continuing studying for the physics test while you go get us snacks.
Sounds good.
Yeah, make sure you get the ones I like, Berkely.
Okay.
Okay, Bridget, so let's talk. Berkely?
Okay, I don't even know if I should say this, but Berkely is actually really bad at physics.
Yeah, I feel bad for her. She just can't do it. I feel
It's so awkward.
I sent her away to go get snacks.
Excuse me? Have you been talking about me behind my back?
What?
Did you say I'm bad at physics? Well, I heard it all from my Bluetooth device.
Oh!